Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shahab with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make motion detector with switch and extractor wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribe and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP MCB circuit breaker, RCCB, DP MCB another DP MCB, sensor, fan, light, switch and socket, neutral connection input to DP MCB, phase connection input to DP MCB, neutral connection from DP MCB to connect RCCB, phase connection from DP MCB to connect RCCB, neutral connection from RCCB to connect DP MCB another neutral point, and again output phase connection from RCCB to connect all DP MCB circuit breaker phase point. Phase connection output from DP MCB to connect switch, neutral connection from DP MCB to connect sensor, phase connection from switch to connect sensor, again another phase connection from DP MCB to connect socket, and another neutral connection from DP MCB to connect socket, another connection from sensor to connect fan, and another connection to light and fan, again another connection to light and fan, earthing connection input to fan, earthing connection input to light, earthing connection input to socket. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.